Hi everyone, I'm Donnie Berry. I'm one of the pastors here at Christian Fellowship, and I am here to tell you about our Bible reading plan for 2019. Now, every year we do a Bible reading plan of some sort, and if you're anything like me, as we jump into reading the Bible in a year, you're excited about it, and somewhere along February, maybe March at the latest, you're down for the count. It's done you in. It's just too much to keep up with. I get it. And so we're doing something a little bit different this year. We're going to slow down in our reading, and we're going to focus on reading through the New Testament this year. Just the New Testament, which works out to one chapter a day, 5 days a week. So there are a couple of extra days even to catch up or to build in for reflection. And so the plan we're using, it's called the Discipleship Journal's 5x5x5 plan. That's a mouthful, not the catchiest of names. I know in our defense, we didn't give it the name, but we are excited about the plan because we think it's going to be really good for us. So we hope that everyone will take advantage of this. If you've never read the Bible before, this would be a great time to jump in and read the New Testament this year. If you've been reading the Bible for years and years, this will be a great opportunity for you to read and slow down some even in your reading so that you can reflect on it and take it in. We want to do this together because we believe that God's Word is powerful. We get to know God through His Word. It changes our lives. And so we want to read and be changed by God through His Word this year. So I hope you'll consider joining us. Now, that's a little bit of the what and the why as far as the Bible reading plan goes, but I want to call in some help now. I'm going to ask Danny Brugman, who's really great with details. He's going to come and give you a little bit of the how. How can you actually read the Bible reading plan? So Danny, thanks for coming and helping me out. Could you help us know how we can read the Bible together this year?
Yeah. So the how, I'm going to show you how to read the Bible plan using your smartphone. We're going to use an iPhone today. The steps are pretty similar on an Android device. Donnie has an Android device, but he prefers a different version.
Yeah, I'm going to be using the good old-fashioned paper Bible where I turn the pages. That'll be my method. But I'm excited that we have other options available for you techie people. So help us know how we can do that.
For us millennials who like our phones. So I'm going to show you how to use an iPhone. Most people in our congregation at Christian Fellowship use an iPhone, so I'm going to show you that. So start in your App Store, and you're going to want to search for the YouVersion Bible App. Sorry, my typing is slow. You're going to pull it up. It should say Bible. You're going to open and download that. You may already have this from our last Bible plan. Once you go to the home screen, you may need an account. I'm going to mention that. You may need an account. You're going to tap on the plans icon. Then in the upper right-hand corner, there's a magnifying glass. Tap on that. Type in the Discipleship Journal, if you can spell discipleship, unlike myself. Tap some of the suggestions. You should see Discipleship Journal's 5x5x5 reading plan. Once you get to the loading screen for that, click on tap on the Start Plan. I recommend doing with friends. Select your start date. We recommend Tuesday, January 1st to start with us as a church. You can share with friends via link. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to skip through these tests today and hit the continue button. Then you should be good to go. You can open the first devotional, read chapter 1 of Mark, and you should be good to go. If you don't want to use your smartphone, but you would like to see the plan on a digital device, you can always go to our website at christianfellowship.com, where we have the plan kind of laid out for you throughout the year. And Donnie's going to give you another way you can engage with us too.
Yeah, if your eyes are glazed over from all of those details and you just want to do the nice, simple, pull the Bible off the shelf, open the pages version, you can do that with me. And we have these paper versions of the plan available in the back of our sanctuary as well as in both foyers. So you can pick up one of these. It's got it all laid out for you. You can check off each day. So this is another great, simple way to engage with the plan. One other thing that I'll be doing this year as we go through these, I'll be doing weekly video devotionals. So every week we'll have some sort of engagement with what we're going to be reading that week, where I'll try to make some application, just help us engage in a different way with the reading. Those will be on our Christian Fellowship Facebook page as well as our YouTube page. So I'm excited about doing that with you. I'm excited to read through the New Testament and to be shaped by God's Word this year. So join us if you would. So thanks for watching, and Happy New Year.